So I got like in yesterday's class, we have discussed about the DFT definition and IDFT definition, right? So today, and I have started the example. What is the example of yesterday's? Can anyone tell me? I have given you the equation. X of n is equals to, what is that? X of n is equals to, इक्वेशन क्या था अपना कल का?
0 1 2 3
0 1 2 और 3. ये दिख रहा है अभी सबको क्लियर?
yes sir
Yes, sir.
Okay, and we have solved x of k with a matrix method. मैट्रिक्स मेथड ने एक्स ऑफ के सॉल्व किया है. आंसर क्या आया था अपना? व्हाट वाज द आंसर? व्हाट वाज द आंसर? 6 minus 2 plus 2j, then can you tell me the answer?
minus 2
minus 2j.
It is minus 2, then minus 2 minus 2j. So this is the answer we have calculated with the matrix method. So any difficulty in this part? इसमें कोई किसी को कोई डाउट है क्या? Anybody has any question in this part? Yes or no? Hello? Is anyone has question in this part?
No, sir.
Okay, so now this same thing we will solve it with the formula method. So what is the formula method we are having? Formula of DFT is what? Using formula method we will solve it. Using formula method. So we'll solve it. So what is the formula of DFT? What is the formula of DFT? Anyone tell me? What is the formula of DFT? आवाज आ रहा है मेरा प्रॉपरली? Hello, am I audible? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Just a minute. I asked the problem. So now the formula for this DFT is x of k is equals to summation n is equals to 0 to n minus 1 x of n into e power minus j 2 pi k n divided by capital N. Okay, x of k equals to n equals to 0 to n minus 1 x of n e power minus j 2 pi k n by n. Now here let us solve for this for the above question. So x of k is equals to summation n equals to 0 व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ n? कैपिटल N का वैल्यू कितना है यहाँ पे? We are calculating a 4-point DFT, so n equals to 4. That is, we can write it is n equals to 4, means 4 minus 1, it is 3. So we write it 3. This is x of n into e power minus j 2 pi k n divided by 4. Have you understood this part? ये समझ में आया? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Then, now suppose, now we need to expand this equation. So we need to expand this. How do we write? X of k is equals to, I hope everyone is writing this. X of k is equals to, if you are not understanding at any point, please ask me the questions. X of 0 e power 0 plus x of 1 into e power minus j 2 pi k by 4 plus x of 2 into e power minus j, the value of n is here what? 2. So 2 into 2, it is 4. So 4 pi k by 4 plus x of 3 into e power minus j 6 pi k by 4. 6 pi k by 4 it is, okay. Okay. Have you understood this? So any difficulty in this part?
No, sir.
Now let's move ahead. आप बोलते तो मैंने इसको अभी ये करते जाता हूं. Okay, then next. तो यहाँ पे, like, let me come back to this part. Now let us solve this again. Let us simplify. X of k is equals to, x of k is equals to how do you simplify this? X of k is equals to, what happened to this? So how do we write? X of k is equals to, let me keep it here. X of k is equals to, so what is our first part? First part क्या है अपना? Anybody? So this one. So x of 0 का वैल्यू कितना है? What is the value of x of 0? What is value of x of 0?
0.
It is 0. So 0 multiplied with 0 is 0 plus x of 1 का वैल्यू कितना है? What is value of x of 1? It is 1.
1.
1 into यहाँ पे क्या होगा अभी? This 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4. So we can write it as 1 into e power minus j pi k by 2 it is. Then plus x of 2 is 2 into e power minus j pi k. This 4 get cancels. Then plus x of 3 value is what? 3 into e power minus j 3 pi k by 2. So this will be equals to, we'll write it as 0 plus cos of, what we can write it is? Cos pi k by 2 minus j sin pi k by 2 plus 2 into cos pi k, 2 into cos pi k minus j 2 sin pi k. Then plus, further we can write it as 3 into cos 3 pi k by 2 minus j 3 sin pi k by 2. Pi k by 2. Okay. Now, let us call this is equation 1. Let us call it as equation 1. Okay. Then, if you further simplify this, if I wanted to calculate a value of x of 0, x of 0 का value अगर आप calculate करना चाहते, so this I can write it as, if k becomes 0 here, what will happen? यहाँ पे k अगर 0 हुआ, so it will be, value क्या आएगा? Cos 0 first part minus j sin 0 plus 2 cos 0 plus minus j 2 sin 0, then plus 3 cos 0 minus j 3 sin 0. So what is the answer you will get for this? What will be the answer? Cos 0 is going to 1 here, and this is 0. This is 1, and this is going to be 0. This is 1 again, and this is going to be 0. So value क्या आएगा? This is 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2 plus 3. The answer is 6. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any difficulty here?
No, sir.
किसी को दिखने के लिए कोई प्रॉब्लम? Can you solve for the second example? Can you solve for the second value? X of 1 के लिए कैलकुलेट करना है हमें अभी. Let's solve for x of 1. So which will be equals to cos pi by 2 minus j sin pi by 2. Okay. अभी k के लिए 1 सब्स्टिट्यूट कर रहा हूं मैं. So this is for k equals to 0 and this is for k equals to 1 now. K equals to 0 and k equals to 1. Then plus what we can write next? आगे क्या लिख सकते हैं और? plus 2 cos pi, 2 cos pi. Hope I am audible. आवाज आ रहा है ना मेरा? हेलो.
Yes, sir.
हाँ,
Yes, sir.
2 cos pi minus j 2 sin pi. Then what about third part? Plus 3 cos 3 pi by 2 minus j 3 sin. This is 3. क्या होगा यहाँ पे? This will be 3 ना? So this is 3. So here 3 pi by 2. Okay. Now you tell me the answer for this. Just calculate and tell me the answer. अगर कोई आंसर बता सकते क्या मुझे यहाँ पे?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what is the answer?
-2 plus 2j.
-2 plus 2j, sir.
Okay, okay. So this will be equals to क्या हो रहा है? -2 plus 2j. Okay. Then next, you just put the value. K equals to कितना करना है अभी? Next we have to go for K equals to 2. We have to solve for K equals to 2. Can you do that? If I put K equals to 2 here, then we will write x of 2, which will be equals to cos. The value of K, I am taking it as 2, means it will be like 2 pi by 2 minus j sine 2 pi by 2 plus 2 cos 2 pi minus j2 sine 2 pi plus 3 cos. K value is 2, so we write it as 6 pi by 2 minus j 3 sine 6 pi by 2. इसका आंसर क्या आ रहा है? What is its answer? Anybody? आंसर क्या आता है यहाँ पे? साइन टर्म आई थिंक इट विल गोस टू 0. बराबर. कितना आ रहा आंसर?
-2, sir.
पक्का?
Yes, sir.
This is -2. Then next, K equals to 3. If we substitute, we will write x of 3 is equals to cos 3 pi by 2 minus j sine 3 pi by 2 plus 2 cos 3 pi minus j2 sine 3 pi, then plus 3 cos, the value of k is 3 here, so we'll get it as 9 pi by 2 minus j 3 sine 9 pi by 2. This equals to. So you have to use the calculator and get the answers. Yes, anybody has got the answer for this? What is the answer?
minus 2j.
It's -2 -2j. बाकी लोग नहीं कर रहे लगता है मेरे को. Right, I'm just listening to only one voice. Any others? Any facing any problem or any difficulties?
No, sir. -2 j answer.
It's -2 -2j. Okay. So this is how we can calculate with the formula method. So I suggest you that whenever it is a 4 point, you please go with that matrix method, not with the formula method. क्योंकि इसके लिए आपको time ज़्यादा लगेगा, right? But whenever you have any odd number of DFT calculation, so there we have to go with the formula method. So that's my suggestion to you. Then now let us, we have calculated, like we understood how to calculate a DFT. Okay, now let us understand how to calculate IDFT. Right? So we have calculated a DFT of the sequence. We have calculated a DFT of x of n, which is DFT of x of n. We are writing it as x of k aa gaya abhi. And that, what is the value of x of n here? We have x of n is 0, 1, 2, and 3. Then its value DFT we got it as, the answer is 6 minus 2 plus 2j, comma, minus 2 minus 2 minus 2j. Okay. Now, let us understand, or let us solve it for the IDFT. Next part is, just note down the question. Find IDFT of, the sequence. Find IDFT of the sequence. IDFT of the sequence. Just note down this sequence. Find IDFT of the sequence. Note down this: 6 minus 2 plus 2j minus 2 minus 2 minus 2j. Just note down this: 6 minus 2 plus 2j minus 2 minus 2 minus 2j. Now let's write a solution for this. Solution. So we can solve it with the formula. What is the formula we are having? Formula of IDFT क्या है? Can anyone tell me? Formula of IDFT. X of n is equals to 1 by n summation k is equals to 0 to n minus 1 x of k into e power j 2 pi k n by n. Correct? So this is the formula of IDFT. And suppose if I want to calculate IDFT with a matrix method, I can write it as x of n is equals to 1 by n into wn to the power minus k into x of k. This is with matrix method. Okay. Now we will write it like this. X of n is equals to 1 by n. What is the value of n here? n का वैल्यू कितना है?
4.
4. Okay. And here we have to write a matrix for this 4-point matrix. तो मैट्रिक्स मैंने कल याद रखने के लिए बताया था आपको. I don't know how many of you remember that now. तो मैट्रिक्स हम इसको ओमेगा टू द पावर n के लिए लिखेंगे यहाँ पे. So first row and first columns are 1. ठीक है. Then what about next? So this matrix I am writing it for omega to the power n to the power k. पॉजिटिव टर्म के लिए मैट्रिक्स लिख रहा हूं मैं यहाँ पे. So can you tell me what is here? यहाँ पे माइनस j है, -1 and j, and this is -1 1 -1, and this is j -1 और minus j. बराबर? This is correct? Yes or no? So this is
Yes,
the
sir.
matrix for omega n to the power k. Okay. याद रख सकते हैं इसको? Can you remember this? Hello. Hope
Yes,
I am
sir.
audible. हाँ. So when we are writing this matrix, so this first row and first column will remain same. Please listen carefully. First row and first column will remain same. Only the phase term will get changed. Right? यहाँ पे minus j है, तो यहाँ पे आएगा plus j. This will remain same again -1. यहाँ पे अगर plus j है, तो यहाँ पे minus j आएगा. So this is -1 1 -1, and यहाँ पे plus j है, तो minus j आएगा. And then this is -1, and यहाँ पे अगर minus j है, तो it will be a plus j. This is plus j. Have you understood writing a matrix in DFT and IDFT? Any difficulty here? Any difficulty in understanding this?
No, sir.
Hello? इतर मॅट्रिक्स लिहिताना काय डिफिकल्टी आहे का आता तुम आपल्याला?
No, sir.
-2 -2j. Okay. Then Trupti is there. Trupti Sonar.
Yes, sir.
काय डिफिकल्टी मॅडम इथं कळायला तुम्हाला?
No, sir.
Okay. So only one thing you need to remember that while we are writing wn to the power k and wn to the power minus k, मतलब DFT के लिए मैट्रिक्स लिखते हुए और IDFT के लिखते हुए, only while writing a matrix for IDFT, the sign of the phase term will get changed. मतलब सिर्फ j का टर्म जो साइन है वहां पे अगर DFT में अगर प्लस है तो IDFT में माइनस आएगा, अगर DFT में माइनस है तो IDFT में प्लस आएगा. अभी इसको हम सॉल्व करते हैं. सो वी विल सॉल्व दिस नाउ. वी विल सॉल्व दिस. इसको सिंपल मैट्रिक्स फॉर्म में हमें सॉल्व करना है. ओके. सो नाउ लेट अस सॉल्व दैट पार्ट एंड वी विल अंडरस्टैंड. So now let us simplify that. So here I will write x of n as x of n is equals to x of n is equals to this 1/4 will remain as it is. Now, so we'll first multiply this first row and first column. तो यहाँ पे हम कैसा लिख सकते हैं इसको? So it is 6 minus 2 plus 2j. This is minus 2. क्योंकि 1 से multiply, I'm just writing it as it is. Minus 2 minus 2j. Okay. Then second term is 1 is multiplied with 6. So 6 it is plus j into minus 2 plus 2j. Then minus 1 into minus 2. Then minus j into what we will get? Minus 2 minus 2j. Okay. Then third column, third row with the column again is 6 minus 1 multiplied with minus 2 plus 2j. Then again plus 1 into minus 2 plus 1 into minus 2. Then minus 1 into minus 2 minus 2j. Then last row in the column again 6 minus j into minus 2 plus 2j. Then minus 1 into minus 2. Then plus j into minus 2 minus 2j. Just simplify this now. Let us get the answer. Yes, how do you simplify this? Everybody has got the answer. So this will be equals to, this is equals to 1/4, and this we will simplify now. This plus 2j and minus 2j get cancelled, right? 6 minus of minus 6. So पहला आंसर आया आपका 0. Then second term we will simplify it. 6 minus 2j plus 2j square, minus into minus plus 2, minus into minus minus 2j, minus 2j, then again minus into plus, it is plus 2j square, plus 2j square. Then again, so this is going to be 6 minus into minus plus 2 minus 2j. Then again it is minus 2 minus into minus plus 2 minus into plus, it is 2j. Then this one 6 minus into plus, it is minus into minus, it is plus 2j. Yes, anybody has got the answer? Minus 2j square plus 2 minus 2j plus into minus minus 2j square. तो इसको फर्दर सिंप्लीफाई करने के बाद व्हाट विल हैपन?
Final answer, sir. 0, 2 plus j square, 2, 2 minus j square.
0,
2 plus j square,
2 plus j square.
j square.
Something is getting wrong, madam.
So multiply by 1/4 केले.
हाँ, नहीं, ये 2
Last
plus j
answer.
square बराबर है, लास्ट टर्म बराबर है. So something here. So this will be like plus 2 आया. So it's minus into minus, ये plus हो जाएगा ना. So this will become plus here. Okay. So okay, let us simplify this further. 0. अभी ये plus 2j और ये minus 2j get cancel. यहाँ पे क्या होता है अभी? j square का वैल्यू कितना है? What is the value of j square? Is -1. ठीक है, तो -1 मतलब क्या हुआ अभी? ये 6 -2 +2 और ये कितना होता है? +2. Sorry, -2 again it is. Okay, and then again this +2j and this -2j get cancelled, or ये +2 -2 get cancelled, so it will be 8. And then again this +2j and this -2j get cancelled, and this is again a 6. j square का माइनस लिए तो यहाँ पे +2 आएगा, then +2 is already there and this is +2. तो अभी आंसर क्या है आपका? This is multiplied by
Sir,
1/4.
I got the final answer 0, 1, 2, 3.
ओके, तो अभी यहाँ पे फाइनल आंसर आता है आपका 0, 1, 2 और 3. So is this is same as our input sequence which we have taken as a DFT, which we have taken for the DFT.
Yes, sir.
So this is the way how we can calculate a DFT and IDFT. Hope you understood. यहाँ पे किसी को कोई confusion या doubt? If you have any questions, you can ask. किसी को कोई डाउट है क्या यहाँ पे?
No, sir.
Can I get a response from the others?
No doubt, sir. No doubt, sir.
Boys? Boys को किसी को डाउट है किसी को?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, so let us take the next example and you just solve it. So let me see like how many of you have understood it properly. Compute the 4-point DFT of the sequence. Take the next question. Compute 4-point DFT of the sequence. Compute 4-point DFT of the sequence. X of n is equals to. Compute 4-point DFT of the sequence. X of n is equals to. X of n is equals to. We have it is 1, 1, 0, 0. Can you do this? Do it with matrix method. Just do it with the matrix method so that you can solve it easily. Okay, I will give you just 2 minutes time. You just solve it. Till that time, I will take attendance. So solution we will write here. So what is the formula we are having? We have x of k is equals to wn to the power k into x of n. So what is wn we are writing here? Wn to the power k, we are writing it as the matrix 1, 1, 1, 1, and all columns 1 it is. So this is minus j, this is minus 1, and this is j. This is minus 1, 1, minus 1, and this is j, minus 1 minus j, which is multiplied with 1 1 0 0. आंसर आया क्या किसी का? Anybody has got the answer for this? Anybody has got the answer? How many of you have solved? You just check that whether you have got this answer or not. Answer is, this is 2
1 minus
minus
j.
j.
0 1 plus j.
कितने लोगों को मिला ये आंसर?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
2 3. What about others? Only 3 members are solving. What about others? Okay, let us take few more examples. You just calculate IDFT of this also. Just take the question, find IDFT of this question. Find IDFT of a sequence x of k is equals to, this is 2 1 minus j comma 0 1 plus j. Just take this and also take a few more examples for a practice purpose, so that you can do the examples. So compute 2-point DFT for the sequence. Compute 2-point DFT for the sequence. X of n is equals to, compute 2-point DFT for the sequence. X of n is equals to 2, 3. X of n equals to 2, 3. 2, 3. Also compute the DFT of second question. This is first question. The second question is compute a DFT of x of n is equals to 1 0 1 0 1 0. Okay, and let us take one more example if possible, or else. Okay, you just solve these examples and further we will continue again with the properties of DFT, and before that we need to understand whether it is DFT, how is acting as a linear transformation. So for today, I'm going to stop it here. We'll continue further again in the next class.